Welcome to this comprehensive guide on common issues with Whoop Charge. Whoop is a popular fitness tracking device that provides personalized recommendations to improve your overall health and wellness. However, like any other electronic device, it can experience charging issues. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the most common problems and their solutions. Firstly, it is essential to understand the charging process of your Whoop device. The Whoop charger is a small dock that uses a USB connection to charge the device. To charge your Whoop, simply place it on the dock and connect the dock to a power source. The device will start charging, and the LED lights will indicate the charging status. One of the most common issues with Whoop Charge is a faulty charging dock. If your Whoop is not charging, try resetting the dock by unplugging it from the power source and plugging it back in. You can also try cleaning the dock and the device to ensure a proper connection. Another issue is a damaged or worn out USB cable. If the USB cable is damaged, it may not be able to transmit power to the dock, resulting in charging issues. Try replacing the USB cable with a new one to resolve the problem. Some users may also experience issues with their Whoop device not turning on after charging. This could be due to a drained battery or a faulty device. Try charging the device for an extended period, and if it still does not turn on, contact the Whoop support team for further assistance. To avoid common charging issues, it is recommended to use the official Whoop charger and avoid using third-party chargers. You should also keep the charging dock and device clean and dry to ensure a proper connection. In conclusion, common issues with Whoop Charge can be easily resolved by troubleshooting the charging dock, USB cable, and device. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your Whoop device is always fully charged and ready to track your fitness journey. Remember to always use the official charger and keep the device clean and dry to avoid any charging issues.